In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off audio description and disable descriptive subtitles on Prime Video. Once you are logged in, the next step involves selecting the series or movie you want to watch. Take your time to scroll through the vast library, or use the search bar to find your desired title. Once you've identified what you're in the mood for, hover over it and get ready to take the next step. Now it's time to click on play. By doing this, you're starting the streaming session, and soon you'll be able to customize the settings to your preference. Once the video is playing, you'll want to look for the icon that represents the subtitles and audio settings. This is usually found on the lower portion of the screen. It might look like a speech bubble or a small gear depending on the interface you're viewing. Once you've located and clicked on the subtitles and audio icon, a menu will pop up on your screen. This menu is where you can manage the audio and subtitle settings, offering a range of options catering to your viewing preferences. Now, under the audio options, you will find several language and description choices. Look for English or your preferred language that states it is without the audio description. This is crucial because this is the setting that allows you to turn off the audio describer's narration that usually guides the visually impaired through the visual aspects of the content. By selecting the language option without audio description, you will enjoy the movie or series in its original audio track without any added narration. These straightforward steps bring us to the closing of our guide today. To ensure that these changes are applied every time you watch, make sure your settings save the selected option. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to refer back to these steps or consult Prime Video's help section for further assistance. By following this simple process, you'll have a viewing experience just the way you like it, free from audio description unless you find yourself wanting it back, in which case the same steps apply with a simple toggle back. Thank you for joining and enjoy uninterrupted viewing on Prime Video.